Video coverage of ITEXPO is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.
Hi, this is Paula Bernier. I'm at ITEXPO speaking with Juan Pablo Pazos of Xmartek. For those not familiar with the company, tell us a little bit about it.
Thank you very much, Paula. Thanks for having me. So Xmartek has been in business since 2005. We are a value-added distributor based in South Florida with offices in Mexico, Bogota, and edges throughout Latin America. We work with tier 1 vendors and companies that are willing to develop and make business in our region. We work through system integrators, through service providers, through resellers, and we have a big network of friends, and that's how we do business.
Well, speaking of partners, I understand you're doing some new and exciting things for your channel partners. Tell us what's happening there.
That's exactly right. So in this ITEXPO, we are doing a series of workshops and seminars, but we are stepping a little bit away from the classical technical workshops, and we are doing some leadership training. We strongly believe that if we are dealing with companies in a more profound way, in a way that we can help them to become leaders in their countries, in their regions, in their industry, we will all win. So we brought a keynote speaker, Mr. Tim Hebert, CEO of Atrion. He's a renowned speaker in the area of leadership, and we have been having meetings with resellers, and actually a very, very interesting workshop. For our workshop where everybody had a great time, so it has been good. In terms of channel development, we are also doing some special programs for the channel, helping them to get very expensive equipment in a easy way. So we partner with companies like Sangoma, and we are providing over $10,000 of rebates and incentives for not for resale equipment for those partners exploring the Link Express opportunity. We are also doing some special hands-on training to certify the companies that were in different fields. So we are kind of trying to increment their potential, and our challenge is to take installers and to take people that were kind of with a minimum wage or something, and actually make them thrive in this industry. From our goal is people that are between $7 and $12 an hour, to be earning 40 to 60 in a period of 1 year after some training and some development. So that's what we're doing for the channel.
So let's talk products. I understand you have a couple new things. One is an interesting product that marries PBX and M2M technology. Tell us about it.
We are introducing the concept of industrial unified communications. So we partner with some developers in Latin America, Hyper-PBX, and we are making an interesting marriage. So we are using a PBX to do what normally is done by very expensive, sophisticated control equipment. So now what we have done is given the PBX the capability, just dialing an extension, you can turn on the lights of a football field, or dialing an extension, you can turn on the air conditioning of a room, or you can decide if there was a problem with one of your machines, or like an emergency stop. You can receive a call, being the supervisor or the engineer, in charge of maintenance. You will receive an SMS or a call, from your phone system saying, look, this machine has stopped, or this machine has no raw material, or there is a need of having somebody in the 3rd floor. So we are bringing all of the IPPBX, the ease of use, the graphical user interface, to a new market, which is the industrial world. So we are very excited and very happy to have that in the show. We are also doing something interested with the security. So we have a very nice firewall, a firewall from Pika, that it's just something that you can just plug in a USB port and just be part of the LAN where your PBX is, and it will take care of all of the attacks that your network has. So it's a very inexpensive way to provide a very important solution for especially for the small IPPV Xmartek. And in this area of security, we are also introducing some new SBCs. We are not only going to the carrier class SBCs, but now we have SBCs for 25 sessions. So I think that it's also something that people will find very useful.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Paula.
And this is Pablo Bernier signing off from ITEXPO.
Video coverage of ITEXPO is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.